Ice hockey, it's the world's fastest team sport. Players can reach up to 50 kilometers an hour. Move over, Usain Bolt! The action always starts with a face-off. Teams on the Winter Olympics can have 22 players, 6 on the ice, substitutions whenever you like. Power play is key to this game. It's when one team has more players on the ice than the other team. Why? Because somebody's been sent to the penalty box. Physical contact, it's part of the game, but we have no roughing and no slashing in this house. Come on lads, enough! The ice is split into 3 zones. This blue line here is crucial. An attacking player can't cross it, until the puck does. If it's level after 60 minutes, you get sudden death overtime. If that doesn't decide things, then it's penalties. Hey, have you ever tried scoring a goal in one of these? It's tiny. It can be much bigger than this guy's plasma TV. If you're watching and you can't see this little puck, don't worry about it too much. It's not that surprising. This thing can travel at speeds up to 160 kilometers an hour.